Hi guys, Kamal with Mac here today. I'm going to speak about how I have started my YouTube journey from the beginning to now, and I'm going to hit my 1,000 subscribers. So at this date, I just want to read out all the comments what students has given towards my channel. And when I started my teaching career at the age of 17, my lecturers were like, "You have no way of teaching. You have no, a method of teaching. So you are not a good teacher." So they had a lot of bad review about my lecturing, but I am very happy that I have 996 students almost studying under me. It took a year of time for me to achieve this target, but then I'm going to achieve thousands maybe in half time, maybe in a day, I don't know. But when I achieve this, when you guys see these videos posted, it is for all the students who was studying under my channel. And I'm not going to show you how much I earn from this channel, but I'm going to show my analytics. I'm gonna read all the comments what students have given me from the beginning. Like I'm gonna move on to my comment section. Now this is I'm using a YouTube studio, so I always respond to my students. If you guys are watching this video, see there's a question which I have not. So can you teach how to draw cash books? So I can also say, please refer the video chapter 8 under playlist business studies and accounting. And do not forget to subscribe. So now I'm going to read all the comments what I got from the beginning, and this is going to be interesting. I know that it is going to take a lot of time for me to read, but this is something which I want to do. Maybe it is a crazy idea. I don't know how many of y'all will watch it, but this is like if you think that it's a waste of time that I'm going to read the comments, you can opt from this video and you can move on to the useful ones. But then I feel like for all my students who dedicated from the beginning to now, I just wanted to share my compliments. There are a lot of videos which I uploaded, but there are a lot of lecturers who said me that I do not know how to teach. I don't know how to deliver my messages to a student. So that's the reason I started this channel. I am a lecturer who teaches. I'm a lecturer who teaches. Cambridge O level commerce related subjects for advanced level national syllabus. So I'm a Sri Lankan, proud to say that, but I have a lot of students studying in almost 20 countries from these 996 subscribers. So I'm very happy. I started this channel on October 15. You can see 11 months back this channel started. So you guys can see I'm going to read one by one comments. Let's start reading it, guys. So it is going to be very interesting now. I'll just zoom a bit if I can zoom. Yeah. So we have one by one comment we're gonna go. So that I don't know, someone has set some fire, and then Aifa Akram, keep up the good work. Askar Khan saying good job, bro, keep it up. Then we have well done, bro. Yeah. So let's move on one by. Appreciate your great work for making studies easy for all students in your own way. Best explanation, sir. Good job. Then good one. MashaAllah, this website is most valuable, important, and useful for the students. Please watch these video clips. We really love the way you do videos. Our support is always there for you. Great work. It's so marvelous to bring out positive differences throughout your hard work. I see a lot of comments coming from Askar Khan. Thank you for being so supportive. Use hashtags, good sessions, bro, doing well. Very good. Keep up your hard work. Then we have some fires coming on. Happiness. Wow, thanks a lot, sir. Great initiative. Waiting for more uploads. Updates or uploads? Yeah, uploads. Then thanks, bro. Then we have never will fail to listen to your motivation, sir. Thank you for beneficial tips. Nice one. Then thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to more videos. So then we have keep going, bro. Good effort. It's another academy which they have commented. I'm very happy that certain academy is also following me. Keep up your good work. Keep it up. Good work, bro. Wow, nice to see this. Then we have some fires coming in. Then what about in terms of syllabus content? Do they carry the same information or not? So I reply for all the comments what students comment. Then we have Humaid Ali is typing a lot of messages. Then we have This was really hard to understand others, but this was easy. Welcome. I wonder whether you can complete the whole grade 10 syllabus. I really appreciate if you could. I'm still trying my best to do that. Thank you very much, sir. Can you please upload videos from Unit 4 to the end of the grade 10 syllabus? In my school, many are expecting from the fourth lesson onwards. So please do the chapters from accounting onwards. Thank you, sir. They are asking watching from Mauritius. So I'm very happy. Students are from different countries. Then you can see it is increasing. Congrats, bro. I'm so grateful you were my teacher. This was a tough semester, but you got me through it. You helped me see that I can be more. You are hands down the best teacher I ever had. Thank you so much, Aslam sir. One of my students has commented from pure heart, wholeheartedly, so I'm very happy. Superb. Thanks, sir. Sir, can you please upload all the lessons in grade 10 by this month? My friends need it. Thank you, sir. I'm trying to still upload all the videos, but I couldn't because I'm with my all tight schedule. I'm uploading every week at least 2 videos. Thank you so much. It was really helpful. Hope you make more videos. Can you please give some tips to answer each part question? Then we have today I had my accounting mock examination and I saw this video yesterday night and this video was very useful for me to tackle MCQ questions too. Today, thank you. And Abhinash, thank you for giving that wonderful comment. Watching from Colombo, inventory turnover benchmarks. To achieve positive results in whatever you do, you must invest and train yourself. Learn new skills, read books, attend seminars regularly. A piece of advice we need to accept. Then we have, any tips for May, June? Yes, I have given tips. Then we have, can you please do same for October, November, P2? I actually have exams on this Friday. And at least I did those videos. I have teacher assessment grades, exams are cancelled. Then we have such an interesting video, a good revision as well. So we must see Shahrukh has put, yes sir, very videos are very useful for my brother in his studies. Much appreciating your social work, ignore negativities and negative people as they're finding unable to reach your heights. This particular video had a lot of negative comments because some haters started to get created. I don't know. A few of them, I don't want to say, a few of them wanted to push me down, but I just do my free services because I'm giving a service at free. Few lecturers doesn't like me actually on the market because I'm teaching it at free cost. So when they are charging a price on the market, they get upset because my job full time is not teaching. I have a different job which I don't want to reveal. Keep up the good work. Very well explained. Good explanation. Clear explanation about product life cycle. Can more videos for accounting paper one? Do you conduct class for individuals? Of course, I do. Then we have. So, sir, please upload another lesson. So, I already uploaded everything. Well explained, sir. I'm really happy today and thank you very much, sir. Shop and office and ha ha ha. So, they are smiling. They are happy with what I have put. Thank you so much. It's so helpful to need to learn about depreciation. Very useful. Thank you for helping me. I have paper one on Monday, my exams. So, I've given them. Thank you so much for making this difficult lesson easy and clear to understand. Another student who's coming, Faith, you are God, send my sir. Thank you so much. It's very clear and easy. Once again, thank you. So people are appreciating. I really love appreciation. Thank you so much. You can see. Thank you so much for revision. This is so helpful. We'll revise also paper 7707, paper 223 November, please. So they are requested. I need to do those videos also. Thanks, Anna. It's very easy to study with your explanation. Then they have, sir, can you please upload 8 lessons of patent done and dusted? So I uploaded some ways, like 4 ways, and I explained the entire thing within 4 ways. Cool stuff. Keep going. So some appreciations, some no appreciation. Stay connected and keep up the good work. Very informative video. Keep up the good work. So then we have Cheers, Salid. Good explanation, sir. I understood this chapter very clearly. Please, sir, upload more videos. Thanks a lot. Then we have MashaAllah. Thank you so much, sir. Keep your good work. Then we have well explained, but you could have used your own picture caption being white or black or brown has got nothing to do with talent. You are talented, build your own brand. Good luck. So good ones, always acceptable advices. Then we have cool, and then really cool and superb explanation, really useful in this pandemic situation. Thanks a lot of you. This channel's main intention is to teach everyone who wanted to learn it free at cost. I am uploading as much as possible videos for all of the students. Please do video on general journal, grade 11, English medium and trial balance. Also, thank you, sir. This is a great video, bro. Keep it up, sir. Then we have thanks, sir, for doing exercises. Can you do all activities in the textbook too? Thank you so much for this lesson. Love you, Mac. So a lot of loves are coming from different places. Good lecture, sir. Then we have, thank you so much, sir. It will be more clear if you use a whiteboard. Anyways, thank you so much. So another suggestion, but students feel like Excel is a bit easy because my handwriting is a bit ugly, but then Excel is giving me a chance to make it beautiful and easy to understand. How is your business going? So there's people who know about my business. Thank you so much. Then we have Fardeen Hernandez says, can you work some A-level past papers? Of course, I have been working. Thanks, I really appreciate your work. Understood everything you explained. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, paper code number, please, please upload 2020 October number paper 2. So I think I have uploaded it 2020, but they haven't seen the video, so we need to upload the questions paper 2. Thank you, sir. Then Damu Chirai and Mago, nice. Keep up the good work, sir. Awesome lecture, sir. A good job, do more. Then, sir, your lecture is awesome. Then we have yeah, a lady, Nilusha Kaluratna. Yes, sir, please try and do that activity. As I watched your previous ones, it was great in the discount part. Could you do activity 3, page 102? I'm struggling to do that activity. If you can do it, it would be a great help. Thank you, sir. I'll try to do it when I have time. Surely, I'll be doing it. Good job, sir. If you can do some videos on company's account. Sure, we'll work on it. Thank you, sir. Very helpful. Thank you, sir. Then thank you, sir. I got some points. Thank you very much. It was so helpful. Then thank you, sir. Can you do a video on cash flow statement? Of course, I have done cash flow statement. Then thanks, bro. Nice video. Thanks. Upload PDFs also. So can you upload the note PDF? So upload other lessons also. It's really useful. Great work. Activity 2B and very good explanation. I think there should be a value of 14,000. I think sure we'll check. Then we have, so please do upload the entire BS syllabus on business A level. I uploaded the entire syllabus of business A level. So anyone who comes to this channel, they can watch the entire syllabus at free cost. Is there any another part here, no explanation about bank concentration 9.2? Of course, there were 4 parts, so you need to watch all the 4 parts. Please upload the whole syllabus. Again, done. Please upload the entire syllabus. Done and dusted. Then we have please upload. So much of request to upload the entire syllabus. Please upload the entire syllabus. Then we have, so please upload the entire syllabus. We have, it's really clear what you are teaching, and thank you so much. Just now saw your econ Zoom class went. I missed that, sir. Please let me know if you're doing other chapters as well. I choose econ this month only to do for A level. So there's another student. Please upload all the chapters. Then we have, please upload so much of questions coming in. For the free virtual sessions offered, you deserve thousands. Like plus subscribe. Thanks a lot. Who's that? Mohammed. Thanks a lot, Mohammed. Thanks a lot, TMN family. Yeah. Please upload 12, 13, 15. So I upload those videos, no worries. So please upload more videos in accounting. I hope I have time to do that, and I will do it. Thank you, sir. Financial management, they are requested. Please do more accounting topics. Superb, sir. Then we have, okay, sir. I was finding for Cambridge oral accounting videos. Thank you, sir. Shaif Tika. So focus on the camera on the board more to see the text clearly. Will improve day by day. We are improving every video. So can you share the links related to A-level economics? Of course, I have done. So your explanation is simple and understand. Thank you so much, sir. Then we have your effort is much appreciable. Keep continuing. My best wishes. Thanks a lot. So we have, thank you so much, sir. May Allah bless you. Afrara Qayyum. Thanks a lot. So please check 14 again. I think it's still credit agent, sir. Let me check it. So how can I join your classes? Of course, I have given those details below. Then can you please upload the part 2 soon? Of course, we have done all those videos. We have already uploaded the videos. Then we have, so can I know the difference between exchange and transactions? So another student has said it's boring, but then a student is saving me, especially business studies, but we need to study. Yes, indeed. And there's another student, then you are in the wrong place, Gloria. Go learn to cook or something. That's another comment, another student. Nice explanation, sir. Thank you, sir. Fatima Zainab. Then we have, I think, so can you upload all the 2020 past paper part 1 and 2 to discussion, please? So we will do it soon. Thank you for the super explanation, Safa Nawaz. Hi there, hope you are well. Your YouTube channel idea is great. Also, your channel content is really nice, but I see some updates. Channel has no more subscribers. Another person who want me to develop myself. Thank you for this amazing explanation, sir. Nada Sali, I don't know. Please, I need subscription account for O level. Good explanations. Keep it up. Then we have nice video. Keep up the good work. Rock on, man. Of course, we will do it. Thank you, sir. Please update the grade 11 accounting to sir. Sir couldn't get the part 1 video of business organized. So can you please upload the link? Then I have uploaded the link. The student got. Thank you, sir. And please upload the fourth part also. Done and dusted. Upload chapter 10 and 11, which we need to do extraordinary, sir, but a little bit faster. Of course, we'll improve it. I hope your other videos you will do slowly. Awesome, sir. Then can you please teach? So I read around 200 comments. You would have seen it, and these are all compliments from my students who have read the entire thing. I mean, have given the comments. Wonderful one. Thank you for watching this video. This is dedicated for the 1,000 subscribers you have given me, and of course, I'm gonna hit 1,000 subscribers in a while. Thanks a lot for believing Commerce with Mac. Just a small thing I wanted to do, and I feel like I just wanted to share the compliments. Thanks a lot for believing Commerce with Mac, and also in future I have planned to upload the entire grade 11 syllabus and also entire accounting, companies accounting. I plan to do ratios. I have planned to do EPF control accounts. So much of things I have planned to do. But then you guys need to subscribe and not if hit the bell button, so we will be uploading more videos in future. See you guys. Thanks a lot for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot. Bye.